Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 10th NCERT. Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression. Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression 5.2 exercise. Question number 4 we'll see that today. Which term of the AP is 78? AP is given. Which term of AP is 78? 3, 8, 13, 18 and dot dot is 78. Your question is given. A is given 3, D is given 8 minus 3, 5 and AN is given 78. You want to find out N. How will you get? Formula you write A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to AN. Put the values 3 plus N minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78. So n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3, 75. So n minus 1 is equal to 75 by 5. 15, 5 is 75. So 15 plus 1, 16. 16th term is 78 of this AP. Question number 5. Find the number of terms of the each of following APs. First part. Number of terms you want to find out. 7, 13, 19, dot dot 205. Like this question. Same. What is A? 7. AP is given. So no need to check. D is equal to 13, A2 minus A1, 6. And AN is equal to 205. Same question what you have solved in the question number 4. A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to AN. Put all the values. 7 plus N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205. So N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205 minus 7. So what is n minus 1? N minus 1 will be 8, 1, 9, 198 upon 6. 6 3 is 18, 6 3 is 18. So n is equal to 33 plus 1, that is 34 term. Which term? 34th term of this AP is 205. Second part. Second part is given 18, 15 whole 1 by 2. 18, 15 whole 1 by 2, 13, comma dot dot, comma minus 47. Again it is given AP. If it is given AP, what is A? A is 18, D, A2 minus A1, 15 2 is 30. 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus 18. That is 31 minus 18 2 is 36 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. It is your D. AN is given minus 47. So formula A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to AN. What is A? 18 plus N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Put all the values A, N and N except N. So N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47 minus 18. Minus 65. So N minus 1 is equal to minus 65 into 2 minus 2 by 5. 5 by 2 will go that side. So minus 13. Minus into minus plus. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 13 into 2. 26. So n minus 1, then what is this? 26 plus 1. That is 27th term are there. How many terms are there in this AP? This AP has total number 27. This you are getting question number 6. Question number 5 is over. Now the question number 6 of this exercise you will see. all the term. What is given? Question number 6. Check whether minus 150. Check whether minus 150. Question number 6. Let an is equal to minus 150. You want to check whether it is the term of AP. AP is given. AP is given 11, 8, 5, 2 dot dot. It is AP given 11, 8, 5 dot dot. So you want to check which is where it is a term of this AP or not. What is A? A is 11. D is equal to 8 minus 11 minus 3. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to an. It is the formula. Put the values. 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150. So n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150 minus 11 minus 161. So minus 3n plus 3 is equal to this. So minus 3n is equal to minus 161 minus 3. I am here opening the bracket because it is not divisible by 3. So minus 164. So n is equal to minus 164 upon 3. Minus 3. Minus minus cancel. So 164 by 3 not possible. Why not possible? Because any serial number is not in the form of decimal. It is a whole number. Serial number is natural number. That's why it is in the fraction. You will get signal. So no, this number is not the term of this AP. Question number 7. Question number 7 is given. Question number 7 is given. Find the 31st term of AP. You want to find out A31. Find the 31st term of AP whose third term is 12. Whose third term means A3 is 12 and last term is 106. No. Question number 7 is there. Third term. Find the 31st term of whose 11th term is 38. Okay, wait. Whose A31 you want? 31st term. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is A11 is given 38 and A16th is given is 73. Very simple. 16th term is given 73. It is a very common and easy question. A11 means A plus 10D. A plus 10D is equal to 38. A16 means A plus 15D, n minus 1, 73. Both the equation, it is a linear equation in two variables whose variables are A and D. Subtract both, you will get minus 5D is equal to 13 minus 35. So D is equal to 7. If D is 7, then what is A? It is equation first, it is equation second. By first you can get A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. Then what is A? 38 minus 70. 32. What is the first term? 32. First term you are getting 32 minus 32. First term is minus 32. Then what is the A31? A31 is equal to A plus 30D. Minus 32 plus 30 into 7. Minus 32 plus 21. 210. We will get 8. Here 10, 7, 1. Minus 178. Plus 178. Not minus. Here it is there. A31 means 31 first term of this AP is 178. Very easily you are getting this 178. Getting? Question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms. An AP consists of 50 terms. You must know, you must find out what is given and what is not given. N is given 50. First, an AP consists of 50 terms whose third term is 12. What is given at once? Whose third term is 12. And last term is 16. Last term is AN. AN is, last term is 106. AN means R, you can say A50 is given. A50 is 106. It is given. Find the 29 term. You want to find out A29. Simply you want to find out A29, question number 8. So, what is given? AN and this is given, A50. So, AN is equal to, formula you write, A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to AN. So, A plus 50 minus 1 into D is equal to A50 or not? Same thing. What is A? A3 is given. By this you will get one equation. What is A not given? A plus 49D is equal to 106, equation number first or second, what you want you can put 106. Now you will see A3 is 12 means A plus 2D is equal to 12. One equation this and one equation this you solve. So A plus 49D, A plus 2D, 106 and A plus 2D is 12. Subtract all. You are getting 47, 49. 47D is equal to 94. So D is equal to 94 by 47. 2s are. D is 2. So by first equation, A plus 49 into 2 is equal to 106. So A plus 2 9 is 18, 2 4 is 8. 2 9 is 18, 2 4 is 8 and 1 9, 106. What is A? 106 minus 98. 49, 2 is 2 9 is 18, 2 4 is 8 and 1 9. Okay. Then 8. What are you getting A? A is equal to 8. A is 8 you are getting. Now you will get the what term you want. A you are getting and D you are getting. A and D you are getting. A question is you want to find out A29D. A29 is equal to A plus 28D. What is the A? 8 plus 28 into 2. A29. So 8 plus 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4 and 1 5. Then 64. What is the A29? 29 term of this AP is 64. Simply you will get and you can solve the question. Question number 8 you have seen. Question number 9 is given. What is the question number 9? In the question number 9 we'll see. Question number 9. If the third term and ninth term of AP is question number 9. Third term and ninth term. Third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8. 4 and minus 8. You write like this. Which term of AP is 0? Let nth term, let AN is equal to 0. which term then you want to find out. What you want to find out? Yourself you make what you want to find out and how will you find out. So easily you put A3 means A plus 2D, equation first. A9 means A plus 8D is equal to minus 8, equation second. Solve first and second. A plus 2D 4, A plus 8D minus 8, subtract, this will cancel, minus 6D is equal to, minus 6D is equal to 12, then D is equal to minus 2. By first, A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. So A plus A minus 4 is equal to 4, then A is equal to 4 plus 4, A is equal to 8. Now An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to An. What is A? 8. N minus 1 into D minus 2 is equal to 0. An you have let here, An is equal to 0. A is 8, D is minus 2. So 8 plus N minus, what will you get? N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 8. So N minus 1 is equal to minus 8 by minus 2, that is 4. So N is equal to 4 plus 1, fifth. So fifth term is 0 of this AP. Fifth term of this is 0. The 17th term of AP, question number 10. 9, then you will see the question number 10. 17th term of AP exceeds the 10th term. Question number 10. Very good. 17th term of AP, A17, exceeds the 10th term by 7. Exceeds the 10th term by 7 means A10 plus 7. Find the common difference. Find D. D you want to find out. Simply A17 is equal to A plus 10. What is the A17? A plus 16D is equal to A plus 10 means 9D plus 7. A and A cancel. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. 7D is equal to 7. Therefore D is equal to 7 upon 7. 7 1 ja. So D is equal to 1. Within one line you are getting the answer. Very easy. Very easily you are getting the answer. Okay. So you will get these questions easily and you can solve it. All the questions, that's all. In the rest questions I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks.